Okay, so I'm putting together something to actually mount a dial indicator on the tailstock. So as you can see, the tailstock moves sort of in and out like that. Most of the time I use tailstock can be used for different things. It can be used to hold a piece here, center, and you can somehow work the across the part that you're trying to turn down. But I also can put a chuck in there like this, a small Jacob's chuck, and drill holes inside these parts right here, and later bore the holes and things like that. So I thought it'd be convenient to know the depth of these holes. So I mounted a dial indicator here, and the dial indicator is spring loaded. As you can see here, it has a travel of about 1 inch, and this has a little more travel than 1 inch, but it'll be fine. So what I'm going to do is mount a plate, and the plate will squeeze around this brass ring, and it'll go up to this and move in and out as this thing is moving in and out. All right, so I just finished an operation on the plate. There it is. So first of all, I designed it using Kanban and so on. But what I want to show you here is that I use a underneath, maybe you can't see, yeah, you can see it. Underneath you see a acrylic sacrificial plate. It is a small, and I picked those up, and actually I found a guy nearby that does glass, and he throws these things out. So because once he cuts different pieces, and they're like, I don't know, 10 inches by a foot long or something like that, he's got no more use for it. So I go there and I pick them up, and I cut them about the same size as the part I'm gonna mill. And then as you can see here, I'm holding the part with 4 small clamps on the corner. Now if I had completely milled this part, it wouldn't be holding. It'd be, you know, at the end it'd be just weaving, wobbling, whatever. So what I want to show you here is olding tabs, and these olding tabs are basically that little section right there, a little triangular section that was not milled, and that I'm going to cut with a Dremel. And after I cut it with a Dremel, I'm going to use a band, not a bandsaw, but a sanding band to actually clean it up. So that's what it's going to look like. And then I'm going to have to make a slot